welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on American things that I miss. And this one is homemade cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce in the can actually isn't that good. It's okay. It's kind of a jelly, but in my opinion, it tastes better if you make it yourself. So this time we are making our own from scratch, besides the fact that you can't find it here. So let's get started.
Only a few simple ingredients. We need 4 cups or 350 grams of fresh or frozen cranberries, 1 cup or 250 milliliters of water, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon orange zest. In a saucepan, add water and sugar. Bring to a boil over high heat. Once the syrup is completely boiling, add orange zest and cranberries. Allow to simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes or until all the cranberries burst and turns into a jam-like consistency. You may have to press some of the more stubborn cranberries against the side of the pot to force them to burst, but most will burst on their own. Remove from heat and allow to cool. Cranberry sauce will thicken as it cools. This cranberry sauce is thick and full of fruit. It's just sweet enough and will keep in the fridge for a couple of weeks, so it's great to make ahead. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.